What's up guys, Jico Spice here, back with another video today. And in this video today, I'm unboxing a keyboard. So a couple months ago, I got this keyboard sent over by a really cool company called Redragon. I'll link them in the description below. But they sent me over their newest keyboard and they wanted me to unbox it for you guys today, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I also want to thank everyone that's been keeping up with my channel. I know I say this all the time, but it's really important for me to point out the positives and how you guys have been helping me out with my channel. It means a lot to me and to the future of this channel. So without further ado, like and subscribe, and let's get into this unboxing. Here we go. So we got the Redragon Shrapnel. This is their newest keyboard that they sent over. Now, as I said before, it's a cool keyboard. It's got a list of features that we're going to get into in just a second. But let's just get into the unboxing part because, you know, that's what I do. So right off the bat, you know I like to read the features on the back. High quality LED backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. So with these 5 important features on the back, they try to promote high quality optical swift with 100 million times click. So these can click 100 million times until they're done. Double injection keycaps, good to know. Full key conflict free, so it won't get in the way. Spill proof, people like that these days because you spill on your keyboard, it might get sticky, or you know, it could be done for and you have to go buy a new keyboard. Keys can be disabled in gaming, good to know. So you can turn off important keys that maybe you don't want to be using when you're gaming, so you can practice specific points of when you're gaming. The new background's temporary, it's not going to be here for long. I'm actually building a whole new background, which you can kind of see here. You get a little bit of a sneak peek. The time being, since I just moved into my new house, we're going to have to deal with this, but I still think it looks kind of cool, so we'll work with what we got. Simple, easy opening. So right off the bat, it's just the keyboard and the cord. Pretty simple stuff, but the cool thing about these is that these caps can come off. So being able to check you guys out from the skies above, pull out this keycap puller, and all you have to do simply is twist it in between. Once you hear the click, you pull out and you got your keycap. Simple, easy process to put it back in. You pull it out of the keycap, slides out, really simple and easy. And all you have to do is drop it in, find the T, click down once, and you're ready to go once again. Now, I don't know if you hear that sound and that clicking, but that's high, fast reload rate on your keyboard. Really simple, easy process. Yeah, this keyboard's really simple and it just gets right to the gist of what you're going to be doing. So without further ado, I'm going to get into a little bit more of this keyboard. I'm going to show you guys the cool RGB features and the list of features you can use while using the keyboard. Alright guys, so I'll see you over there. We'll go over the list of features. Alright, let's go.
Welcome to Oasis.
Alright, we're going to the Oasis right now. So smooth moving. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is really smooth moving, fast paced, quick moving back and forth. I really like it. Got him. Good job, everyone. Claps all around. Before I end this video, I do want to show you guys a final send-off of how to program the customizable RGB on this keyboard. So what you press is FN, and you have these 6 buttons right here, or keycaps as you might call them, and you press 1 to go singular red rainbow transpiration. Then you go 2, and what you do is you click it and it will go a wave of effect of an outstanding rainbow. 3, it's just a continuously blob of rainbow. Or basically simple rainbow back and forth, you know, changes colors from different time to time. 5, all over the place rainbow, just every other keycap is a rainbow. 6, wave of rainbow. So personally, my favorite is actually 3. Click it and it waves off. I also believe I did not get to point out to you guys that this keyboard is only $50 on Amazon. It might have gone up because a lot of people have been buying it lately, so check that out for me, double check it, but it's $50 from when I bought it, so check it out, guys, and maybe you can get some discounts. But yeah, right now I want to do a personal send-off and thank you to Redragon for sending me over this wonderful keyboard. I put it through a lot, and I think it tested to the test. You know, it really worked well, and I'm pretty proud of this keyboard because they just created this too, and it's a really strong start to a future of products that they're going to be making. I really want to thank them for sending this over to me. They supported me because of what you guys are doing and responding to my channel and listening to what I've been doing, because with your support, we're going to keep on growing and growing and growing and expanding. So I think that's really important, and I just want to thank you guys so much. I believe I filmed one other video at this house at the same angle, and it's the Oculus Rift S, so we'll possibly get into that next week. I don't know what my schedule is looking like, and I don't know what the new wall is going to be looking like, but you got a sneak peek preview over there. So I'm super excited to be introducing this stuff all to you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out, Jico Spice. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.